how to cancel one-click pay on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel one-click pay on Temu. In order to cancel one-click pay on Temu, all you need to do is just go ahead and log in into your Temu account. Before that, make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now while you're on this page or home page, that's going to look something like this. So over here, you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to go to your payment method, and over here, if you've already enabled one-click payments or that you've added any sort of credit card, bank account, then you'll be able to find an option. In my case, I've not enabled or added any sort of payment method, so the option is unavailable. But if you have already, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the payment button, and then you can just go ahead and tap on the cancel, and that's basically how you can cancel one-click pay on Temu. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.